Hello and welcome to my first video introducing Gentlevan Removals. My name is Peter Vass, the founder of Gentlevan Removals. We are a family business based in Banbury, Oxfordshire. We specialize in house removals and we are committed to providing exceptional service to our customers. Gentlevan Removals started in 2011 as a one-man operation focusing on small removals and furniture deliveries. We have grown significantly since then. Now we offer a wide range of services, including local house removals, packing and storage within Oxfordshire, long-distance move across the UK, and we are specialized in European relocations as well. Whether you are moving to Spain, France, Scotland or elsewhere in the UK, Gentlevan Removals is here for you. To learn more about our services, please visit our website at www.gentlevanremovals.co.uk or call us at 07861 930 529. In this first episode, I want to recap our jobs and moves from last week. One of our teams went to France for a full pack and load job. The packing took over 2 days with careful wrapping of all the furniture using export or blanket wrapping. We started packing on Monday, loaded the truck on Wednesday and Thursday and returned to the UK by Friday evening. I have 2 days off now, but next week we have more work in London. We will be unloading part of the truck into storage containers, so this France to UK move will take over 7 days when it will be finished. 2.5 days for packing, 1 day for loading, 1.5 days for traveling, 1 day to unload into storage, and another day to deliver to London next Wednesday. After that, we are heading to Spain to handle several shared load moves and a larger move from France back to the UK. In addition to these major moves, we also handle smaller and larger jobs within Oxfordshire and the rest of the UK. Running a small removal business involves many responsibilities. My wife, Victoria, and I manage the business together. Victoria handles phone calls, emails, booking, vehicle allocation, job sheets for workers, video surveys, and interactions with our accountant. I conduct home surveys, drive a forklift, manage most of our European removals, as occasionally assist with UK removals. We also work on the marketing, improving our website, and writing blogs. I started this business in 2011 because I believe in value of hard work. I have always enjoyed discovering new places, but lacked the time and money to travel. I didn't want a typical 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job or to work in a factory. I wanted to be productive and pursue my own ideas. So I bought a Luton van, left my previous job, and challenged myself as a self-employed person. Starting wasn't easy, but I persisted and gradually the business grew. In 2013, I met my wife, Victoria, who joined the business in 2015. She managed the office while I worked on the vans. Initially, we used 2 or 3 Luton vans for local house moves, which are suitable for moving 3-4 bedroom houses. The UK housing system often requires clients to move out by 1 p.m., making it essential to have experienced and trustworthy staff. In 2017, we obtained our operator license and purchased a lorry, and since 2016, we have had our own removal storage facility. We began focusing more on international moves in 2021 and 22, so frequently relocating clients to Europe, especially France and Spain, but also to Germany, Switzerland, Belgium, and other European countries. Finding reliable workers and drivers is an ongoing challenge. We usually start with new employees in part-time and then moving them on full-time once they prove their suitability for the job. Removal work is demanding, involving lifting heavy furniture and boxes, maintaining a positive attitude, providing excellent customer service, packing items, dismantling furniture, and driving vans or lorries. Hope you have enjoyed my brief introduction. In the future episodes, I will provide some updates on our local and international moves. I will share some pictures and videos and other tips on packing, moving, and avoiding cowboy removal companies. Please leave comments or questions below and I will address them in the future videos. You can find our contact details on our website at www.gentlevanremovals.co.uk. See you in the next video.